What's the point of these naughty nice lists? Just be name generators, like it's simply just put your name or a friend's name and they're on the nice or naughty list. But all I've seen were people and good users on the good users on the nice list and bad ones on the naughty list. So what's the point? So yeah, this is simple. I'm just gonna input a name. Actually, no, let's make it more specific. And my camera just fell. Nice. So yeah. So I'm going to take Susan for an example because I can. And look. See? It's like a random shot on what you're going to be in. Nice. Naughty. Nice. Naughty. Naughty. Nice. Oh, it broke. Nice. 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 Naughty. Naughty. Nice. 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 Naughty. Yeah, you know the drill. Well, let's try someone else's name. Who should I try? Let's try this. Let's try Kevin. It's the same thing. Over and over again. So, what's the point of this? You know you're going to get presents or coal or whatever. So please don't try this.